Is your Spotify Student Premium not working? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, you want to check the eligibility. Spotify Student Premium only works if you're enrolled at an accredited university or college. If your student status has expired or you're no longer enrolled, the discount won't apply. Make sure that your student verification is up to date. Next thing you want to do is launch open Spotify on your device. Now, you want to head over to account settings. For that, tap on your profile icon, then select settings and privacy. Here, you want to double check your details. Ensure that your email address, payment method, and university information are all accurate. Sometimes incorrect info can block verification. If your payment isn't going through, update your billing method. Even though it's discounted, failed payments are a common reason for losing access. Add a valid card or payment account and retry. If everything is correct but it still doesn't work, it may be a technical glitch. Refresh your account, log out or log back in, or you can uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app. Once you have uninstalled it, you can again install it from Play Store or App Store. That's all it takes to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.